Hola! Today is día 19. 19 is diez y nueve. Día 19 already. And today I'm going to teach you a really cool thing to say. It's a little bit like a tongue twister, but it's no es difícil. So it'll just be something a little cool to show off. And I'm also going to teach you 3 of my favourite words. So let's get started. The word for when is cuando. And if you look up a song called Cuando, Cuando, Cuando by Tony Remis, it's in English and it's like, tell me when will you be mine, tell me cuando, cuando, cuando. I think Michael Bublé does a version as well. Cuando means when, right? And if a song can help you, then use that. So the cool thing that I want to tell you is that wine is vino and it came, so the past tense is also vino, and vinegar is vinagre, right? So this is the cool thing that you can use to show off, right? And we'll do it line by line. So the last line is vino vinagre. Vino vinagre means it came vinegar, so vinegar came. So if you have a look at the next line up, no vino vino. No vino vino means wine didn't come. So no vino vino, vino vinagre means wine didn't come, vinegar came. And the first line of it is cuando, remember, cuando, cuando, cuando. Tell me when will you be mine? Tell me cuando, cuando, cuando. Cuando means when. Cuando vino el vino, when the wine came. So in total, and this is what I want you, this is your task, is to memorizar and to be able to produce this. So when people say to you, hablas español, do you speak Spanish? You can say, sí, hablo español. Escucha, listen. Cuando vino el vino, no vino vino, vino vinagre. When the wine came, wine didn't come, vinegar came. Last time. Cuando vino el vino, no vino vino, vino vinagre. Memorize it, give it back to me. Right, then I want to teach you 3 of my favourite words. The first one is allí. It's spelt A-L-L-I. So the double L makes a y sound, and I love the sound. Allí, and it means over there. Allí, one of my favourite words. The second one is it has, you have, he has, she has, or the you is the usted form, so the polite, the your majesty form, usted, and the word for have is tiene. And the reason I love it is one of the first words that I learned in Espanol, and I couldn't say it for some reason. And then a lovely guy told me, well, just think of the letters T, N, A. Ah, tiene. And it means it has. So we've got allí, which means over there. And we've got tiene, which is a lovely word for me. And the last one that I'm going to tell you today is tienda. And tienda is a shop, but it's also a tent. And I like it because I think, oh, well, maybe I like the evolution of words. And I think that maybe shops originated in tents in that part of the world. So maybe una tienda was a tent and became a shop. I like that. So I want you to imaginar that you are in a shop. Now the word for you are is estás. It's spelled E-S-T-A-S, but it sounds like stas because the E is really quiet because the A is accented. So imagina Estás en una tienda. Estás en el mercado. Bien, imagina que estás en el mercado. And you're asking, perdón, ¿tiene agua con gas? Y el señor says, mira, está allí. Ah, gracias. You get your agua con gas. And then you can't find, let's say, el vino. Perdón, ¿tiene vino? No, he says. They don't have wine. Mira, la tienda allí tiene vino. So your task for that one is I want you to practicar and play a little bit con el diálogo. And try to memorizar, record yourself, write it down, say it, record it. Because when the words start coming out of your mouth, that's when the el lenguaje becomes yours. Tomorrow we're going to do question words, so that's great because you can say so much with question words. We already have when, which is cuando, but let's have where and why and what as well. We'll do that mañana, so I will see you then. Hasta entonces, adiós.